Today we are going to be talking about a very common problem that a lot of you clothing brand owners get. Like you guys have a good product but no sales. That is what I'm going to be breaking down today. I'm going to be talking about the exact reasons why you have a good product. You 100% know your product is good, but you're not getting sales, and you just end up depressed. You don't know what the problem is. So my name is Abdul. If you don't know who I am, I own a marketing agency, Flows Marketing, where we basically take clothing brands and scale them to six figures. And we're currently working with like six-figure brands, seven-figure brands, five-figure brands, literally all type of brands you can think of. And what do we do to them? We scale them through paid ads, back-end systems like your website, literally everything you need to see your clothing brand grow. Your paid ads, SMS, and your marketing. So I'm in my robe right now. Like I'm in fucking chill mode. Let's get right into it. The first reason, this is the most common problem. This is the most common reason a lot of brands have a good product, but they just don't get sales. And what is that reason? This is traffic. Traffic. You're not getting enough traffic on your stuff. So imagine this. Imagine you have the best product you can literally imagine, like the best product, but nobody is seeing that product. Who's going to buy it? You have the best product, but nobody's seeing it. How do you expect someone to buy it if nobody knows about it? So traffic, this is usually the problem. And the first step is you need to find the traffic source. And how do you get, like, if this is your problem, like how you can fix it is find a traffic source, find where you're going to get traffic. I'm going to be talking about two methods of getting like good traffic. Like you can implement both of them, or you can just go with one. But the first method, all of you guys know this is pretty much like self-explanatory, but I'm going to go in depth on how you can fix your organic, on how you can get more sales organically. Like just going to break down everything. So organic, this is just through posting. Like if you don't know what this is, it's just through posting, like posting consistently on Instagram and TikTok. This is free. It just requires hard work. You just have to be consistent and hard work. So like organic is literally all about testing out what works. You post and then you find out what works and you stick to it. So there's this phase you go through when you start posting. First you're going to post and you're going to be getting a lot of views. So what I want you to do is test a lot of angles. Go look at other brands, find out what works with the other brands like that are similar to yours. Find brands that are similar to yours and look at what they're doing and what works, and try to implement that on your brand. Try to implement what they're doing into your own brand. So you go there and look at like their viral videos, and you're going to test those videos. And then when you find those videos, what I want you to do is you are going to be posting 3 to 10 times a day. 3 to 10 times a day. A lot of people, they post one video every single day. Some even post once a week. That's something that worked before, but now I 100% assure you it's not going to work. Like unless you have like you're a big brand or you already have some good traffic, I 100% assure you if you stick to posting one video a week now, it will be fucking hard for you. You can have the best product, but no, if nobody is seeing it, I assure you nobody's gonna buy it. So just try to push out volume. Like just try to push out volume. One thing about organic is you need volume. You need volume. You need to push out the most videos, even if you're not getting views on those videos. Imagine getting like 500 views, 1,000 views in the videos. All right, so imagine you post like one time a week and you only get 1,000. You think you barely get views. So imagine you post 10 times and you get 1,000 views. That is 10,000 views. So if you do actually get 1,000 views and you post 10 times a day and you can get 1,000 views consistently, that's 1,000 people. Imagine 1,000 people in a room. That's a lot of people. And I assure you, if you continue to do that, you're gonna get a viral video. It's about getting a viral video. Some people, it's about like just getting consistent videos and they'll be getting sales. Some people do have to get a viral video to even see like crazy growth on that shit. Let me pull this camera a bit back. So trade time videos every single day, and you should also try trials. Like some brands, I've been seeing trials going crazy for them, like instantly going viral with trials. So it's like a new method where you post and the post only goes to like an audience that don't follow you. So this like trials are very goated. You should 100% like jump into trials. So then you convert them like traffic to sales through how? story sequences. If you have a lot of organic traction, a lot of organic traffic, some people don't buy on the first time they see you. Some people have to go like through 10 days for you to like convince them to buy a product. If you're posting for 10 days, they might end up buying at the end. But what I want you to do is consistent stories, consistent story sequences. Number one, you can send them to go to your SMS list. But something I usually see that works a lot is discounts. You post a discount on your story. Like you can say, this discount is only going to like 5 people. Here's a 10% off, 20% off. That does get you sales a lot, because some people, they're waiting for those type of discounts. And just try to build like a connection with your audiences through your stories, question and answers, all this type of stuff. Another way you can get like traffic is through paid ads. I really recommend you to actually run paid ads. A lot of people think, and a lot of people don't run paid ads because they think that, number one, they need a huge budget. You can hire people like my agency and we can actually go ahead and run your paid ads. Like, we've been running with a lot of brands, so we know what works and what doesn't work, and we've scaled brands 6 figures, 7 figures, all type of numbers. So if you want us to actually run your paid ads, just book in the call below and we can take control and help you scale your brand. Let me push this shit back a bit so we can help you scale your shit. So these are like some examples of paid ads we've ran. 12.7k to get back for 2,000 in a single day with a 3.3x ROAS. We're fucking goated. After paid ads, like after you hire us to run your paid ads, another reason that really fucks up people is pricing. Number one, they the price too high or they price too low. Some people say they have a premium brand. Their brand is not like the others, so why would they price products very low? Ask yourself, these big brands you're seeing, they didn't start pricing premium when they started. Nobody cares about you. Nobody knows about you. You're barely getting any traffic. You don't deserve to sell expensive pieces. Your brand doesn't have a name. Nobody knows about your brand. So why the fuck would you tell your prices for like $1,000? I was going too extravagant. For $1,500, $300. If your pros are not worth that price, bro, nobody's gonna buy your product. Either has to be worth the higher price for you to sell it at that price at the beginning, or I 100% assure you nobody's gonna buy it if those products are not worth that. So think about it. Just ask yourself, would I buy this at this price? Would I buy it from this brand? If it was from a different brand, like a well-known brand, you'll buy it. But if nobody knows about your brand, how the fuck do you expect somebody to buy it from you, even if you wouldn't buy it? So just take it to mind. And if you're a small brand, really recommend you don't go too low at the beginning, but you should just be middle, like either go low or go high. Just think about it. So pricing is where a lot of people do fuck up. They just end up pricing too high and nobody's buying it because the products are just too high, and like you don't have that credibility to sell prices for that much. And another reason a lot of people don't buy your stuff is social proof. What is social proof? Actually looking like something real, actually looking like you actually do something, actually looking like you actually ship. Brands trusting you, like people trusting you. I mean, I'm already used to telling brands trusting you, like people trusting you, looking credible, looking real, just looking realistic. Will this brand ship my order? Yes. So social proof. So how do you get social proof? How do you actually look realistic? How do you look like a brand that ships? Showing them you ship. It's fucking easy. Show them you ship. And how do you do that? You can post reels or a feed post and like pin it on your stuff. Or what you can do is highlights. This is something that I really do recommend to a lot of people. If you don't have this, go and post highlights of you shipping, like literally you just shipping the boxes, or you just at UPS or USPS, or you just printing the label, something like that, and post it on your highlight and type something like, yes, we ship. Like actually show the people you ship. What's the best way to tell someone you actually do something? Is showing that person you actually do it. So get some highlights of you shipping and have another highlight of customers. If you don't have a lot of customers, send your products to influencers. Let the people see other people in your stuff. That's how people know, yes, these people have gotten their stuff, so I'm also going to get my stuff. Bro, you just got to be smart. Like I am in a robe right now, fucking giving out too much fucking sauce, bro. So fucking tap in, bro. Fucking use this. Just don't just listen to what I'm saying, but actually implement it. So yeah, that's basically the video. If you want to start working with my agency to help you scale your brand through marketing or anything, bro, apply using the link below. We can fucking scale your shit to the max. Peace.